Today we're going over the 30% off all cordless power tool batteries and starter kits, 12 volt to 80 volt, that is happening during the Harbor Freight Spring Black Friday sale, happening from April 6th to April 13th, and that's coming up next year on Just CB Gear. Welcome back, everybody, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below if you like videos like this. Well, we're going over the 30% off all cordless power tools and battery starter kits that's going to be happening at the Spring Black Friday sale. Never mind my picture here with DeWalt and the Milwaukee charger in here. That is me still trying to learn AI stuff, so just ignore that. Harbor Freight does not carry any of that. So with that said, let's go ahead and I'm going to go over what's in this sale and the sales price of it. So let's get started. Alright, starting off this row here, we got the BAUER 20 volt 5 amp hour lithium ion battery and charging starter kit, $99.99. Sales price on this will be $69.99. That is a good deal on that. Next up here, we got the 20 volt 5 amp hour high capacity lithium ion battery bundle 2-pack. This is going to be $129.99. Sales price on this is going to be $90.99. Next up here, we got something brand new from BAUER. We got the 20 volt 2 amp hour lithium ion battery, normally $34.99. Sales price on this is going to be $24.49. Finishing out this row, we got the BAUER 20 volt 3 amp hour high capacity lithium ion battery. This one is normally $59.99. Sales price on this is going to be $41.99. Starting off this row, we got the 20 volt 5 amp hour high capacity lithium ion battery. This one is going to be $67.99, and the sales price on this one is going to be $47.59. Next up here, we got a 20 volt 8 amp hour high capacity lithium ion battery, $89.99. Sales price on this one is going to be $62.99. Next up here, we got the big bad boy of BAUER. We got the 20 volt 12 amp hour high capacity lithium ion battery. This one is $129.99, and now is the time to get it because the sales price is going to be $90.99. Then finishing out this row, we got something new here from BAUER. We got the 20 volt lithium ion 8 amp battery charger for $49.99. Sales price on this will be $34.99. Starting off this row, we got a bunch of chargers. We got the BAUER 20 volt dual port charger, $59.99. Sales price on that's going to be $41.99. And then this next one here, I'm pretty sure they exclude clearance on it, but that's not a bad deal on that right there at $29.97 on clearance. Then we got a new charger here from BAUER. This is the 20 volt lithium ion 4 amp battery charger, $34.99. Sales price on this is going to be $24.49. Then finishing out this row, we've got the 20 volt 6 port sequential charger with dual USB ports, $79.99. Sales price on this is going to be $55.99. Starting off this row, we got another clearance one, so I don't think this will work on it, but we got the 20 volt lithium ion 1.7 amp rapid charger for $24.97. That's not a bad price on that. Then we're going to move over to the BAUER 20 volt 190 watt power source battery inverter tool only, $49.99. Sales price on this will be $34.99. I am going to guess because this is a battery inverter, this is going to be included, but don't hold me to it. Now we're going to move into the Hercules batteries, and we got the 20 volt 5 amp hour lithium ion battery and the 4 amp charger starter kit for $119.99 normal price. Sales price on this is going to be $83.99. Then finishing out this row, we got the 20 volt 5 amp hour extended performance lithium ion battery bundle 2-pack, $134.99 regular price. Sales price is going to be $94.49. Starting off this row, we got the 12 volt 4 amp hour lithium ion compact lightweight battery, $34.99. Sales price is going to be $24.49. Next up here, we got the big bad boy from Hercules. We got the 20 volt 12 amp hour extreme performance lithium ion battery, $129.99. You're going to be getting it for $90.99. Then we got the 8 amp hour 20 volt extreme performance lithium ion battery, $99.99 normal price. Your sales price on that is going to be $69.99. Then finishing off this row, we got the 12 volt 2 amp hour lithium ion compact lightweight battery for $24.99. Sales price on that is going to be $17.49. Starting off this row, we've got the 20 volt 5 amp hour extended performance lithium ion battery, $74.99. Sales price on that's going to be $52.49. Then we got the Hercules 20 volt 4 amp hour extreme performance lithium ion compact battery, $69.99, and you're going to get it for the sales price of $48.99. Then we got the 20 volt 2 amp hour lithium ion compact battery for $44.99. Sales price on that is going to be $31.49. And then finishing up this row, we got the 20/12 volt lithium ion 4 amp dual voltage battery charger, which is brand new. $44.49 regular price. Sales price is going to be $31.49. Starting off this row, we got a 20/12 volt lithium ion 8 amp dual voltage fan cooled fancy lithium ion battery charger, $74.99. Sales price is going to be $52.49. Not a bad deal at all for a fan cooled one. That's going to be a very nice one. Next up here, we got the 20/12 volt lithium ion 4 amp multi voltage dual port charger with dual USB, $69.99. Sales price is going to be $48.99. Then we got another clearance one here. Of course, the sale probably ain't going to work on that either. But what we got here is a 20/12 volt lithium ion 4 amp voltage multi-voltage charger for $39.97. Not a bad deal for a clearance price. Now we're getting into the Atlas batteries, and we got the 80 volt 2.5 amp hour and 40 volt 5 amp hour lithium ion battery. $139.99 is regular price. Sales price is going to be $97.99. Starting off this row, we got the 80 volt 4 amp hour and the 40 volt 8 amp hour extreme performance lithium ion battery, $249.99. Sales price on that's going to be $174.99. Next up here, we got the 12 volt lithium ion battery with charger, $14.99. Sales price on that's going to be $10.49. Then we got the 40 volt 2.5 amp hour lithium battery, $99.99. And with the 30% off, of course, is going to be $69.99. Then finishing out this row, we got the 18 volt lithium ion battery with charger, $19.99 normally. Sales price on this one's going to be $13.99. Starting off this row, we got the 40 volt and 80 volt dual voltage standard battery charger, $59.99. Sales price on that one's going to be $41.99. Next up here, we got the 40 volt and 80 volt dual voltage rapid battery charger, $79.99. And that price is going to be $55.99 with the sales price. And then finishing off this section, we've got the 40 volt and 80 volt 300 watt battery powered inverter tool only, $79.99. Sales price on that one is also $55.99. And there you go, there's the 30% off of all cordless power tool batteries and starter kits, 12 volt to 80 volt. Once again, I'm just going to tell you guys that I'm still messing with AI, and I don't know why these DeWalt and Milwaukee things are in here, but just so you guys know, usually I go over something that I got experience with. The only thing I have really got experience with battery-wise on these is the BAUER line. I've got the 5 amp hour batteries. I use them on the 10-inch chainsaw. I use them on a 3/8 impact and a 1/2 inch impact, and I've had absolutely no problems with those. And then I also have a BAUER light that takes them, and those 5 amp hour batteries last forever on that flashlight from BAUER. So there's what I have experience with. Leave a comment down below. What do you got experience with? What are you excited to pick up out of this sale? So anyways, don't forget to check my link tree down below. Down there I got affiliate accounts that do help out the channel. Some got discount codes to save you guys money. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are one nation under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.